If you try to uninstall Microsoft Edge using the ordinary way, you will see that the option of uninstall is disabled. Instead of this, we will use a simple free tool. Open Google and search for Geek uninstall, or directly use the link in the description. Select this result and click download and choose the free version. Extract the folder, then run the tool as administrator. First, we need to modify the settings that prevent Microsoft Edge from being uninstalled. Search for Microsoft Edge, right-click and select Registry Entry. Double-click No Remove and change the value data from 1 to 0. Click OK. Move back to Geek Uninstaller, right-click Microsoft Edge and select Force Removal. Yes, and click Finish. And click Close again. Now restart your computer. After starting Windows, you will see that Microsoft Edge is completely gone from your PC. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.